Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sigbe. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain. So I have logged in and I have already selected the domain that I want to create a subdomain for. So if you want to follow alongside this video, I would like you to also log in and then select the domain that you want to create a subdomain for. All right, so we have two buttons right here. The first one says create subdomain, and under this list we have like a report view where all the domains that we have created will be listed out here for us. So since for this domain we haven't created any subdomains, so that's why we have this message here: no subdomains found. So if we create one, so we are going to have that domain listed here for us. So we have two options. The first one has a button, and the other one here also a link. Okay, so whichever one that we are going to click, okay, it's still going to work for us. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to click on the first button, create subdomain. All right, so for the next pop-up dialog box, so what I'm going to do right now is that under the subdomain text box, I'm going to create a subdomain. For the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to type demo. So which means our domain right now will be demo.downvidhub.com. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to click on the save button. So it's currently loading. If successful, we're going to see our subdomain listed for us. Okay, so the subdomain for demo.downvidhub was created successfully. So let's wait for it to process. All right, so our subdomain has been created successfully. All right, so it has already appeared on our list of subdomains. All right, so if I scroll down or if I click on the action button, all right, so we can see this. All right, so we can see this show details or DNS or adjust destination. Okay, guys, so this is how to create a subdomain. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button. And also, if you like the video, click on the like button and also turn on the notification bell. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on this domain. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye for now.